He was standing by the highway with a sign that just said mother, when he heard a driver coming about a half a mile away. Then he held the sign up higher so no decent soul could miss it. It was 10 degrees or colder down by Boulder Dam that day. He was raised up in Milwaukee, though he never was that famous. He was just a road musician, to the taverns he would go, singing songs about the rambling, loving girls and gambling. How the world fell on his shoulders back in Boulder, I don't know. It was out in Arizona that he heard the lady listening to each word that he was saying, to each line that he would write. So he sat down by her table and they talked about the weather, 98.6 and rising down by Boulder Dam that night. And she told him she would take him for a ride in the morning sun. Back in Boulder, he had told her, I don't know when I had a better friend. Now he's traded off his Martin, but his troubles are not over, for his feet are almost frozen and the sun is sinking low. Won't you listen to me, brother? If you ever loved your mother, please pull off on the shoulder if you're going Milwaukee way. It's 10 degrees and getting colder down by Boulder Dam today. If you want to know the reasons for the things I feel inside, you can run away if you want to. But if you need me, show me a way to get through, 'cause I've not seen anyone like you since I was a man. If you want to know for certain what is hidden in my soul, where my wildest dreams unfold, laying in the street. If you need